In a world dominated by noise, the beauty of minimalism lies in its simplicity, especially when combined with nature. Recent studies have shown that spending time outdoors can dramatically improve mental health, providing a serene backdrop for minimalists to thrive. Imagine waking up to the sound of rustling leaves and the scent of fresh air, allowing your mind to unclutter. Walking in a park or tending to a small garden can be incredibly restorative, pulling you away from the chaos of everyday life. By embracing minimalist habits while immersing in natural surroundings, individuals can foster a deeper sense of peace and clarity in their lives.